Hello students, today we are going to discuss the 16th numerical. Question is written as, the portal frame shown in the figure is subjected to a uniformly distributed vertical load W per unit length, which is shown here. Now we need to find the bending moment in the beam at the joint Q is. Now we need to determine the bending moment at joint Q. Okay. Now due to hinge support at P, there will be two reactions acting in the vertical direction as well as acting in the horizontal direction. And due to roller support at S, there will be only one reaction that will be acting in the vertical direction, that is Vs. Now for finding this external support reaction, we need to use the equilibrium condition, that is summation of forces in the horizontal direction equals to 0. Now in this frame there will be only one horizontal force, that is HP, will be acting, so its magnitude will be equals to 0 kilonewton. Now for finding the bending moment at Q, we need to take the moment of all the support reaction from P. So due to Vp, its value will be equals to Vp into 0 because the perpendicular distance is 0, and due to HP it will be equals to minus HP into L by 2 due to this perpendicular distance. Okay. Now we know that the value of HP is equals to 0, so the bending moment at Q will be equals to 0 kilonewton meter. So we had determined the bending moment at Q, which will be equals to 0 kilonewton meter. That is all about this question. Thank you very much, students.